Good morning. It is time to get serious about the gym. I'm feeling so much better. And it's time. It's time. No more excuses, Donna. Gotta go to the gym. So, gonna head there. Then I'm gonna run to Walmart on my way home because I need to pick up a couple things. Of course I do. Of course. But I just need a couple things. So I might have an easy slow cooker recipe that I'm going to share with y'all. It's so good. It's so easy. And I've already made it once. We love it. So I'm going to make that again tonight. So I'm going to share that recipe with y'all. I haven't shared that one with y'all. So Delana actually gave it to me, and it's so delicious. So I'll share that with y'all. Gotta get my house straight. Well, I need to dust, I need to sweep my floors, and I would like to mop, and of course clean the bathrooms. I've already made my bed. I've already caught up on laundry. I do have a load of towels to fold that's in the dryer. But I can knock that out in no time. And yeah. So that's what I want to get done today. Oh, will it? I'm headed to the gym. I'm gonna just only do the treadmill today. And I say just only do the treadmill, but that thing kicks my butt, y'all. Oh, number one, I hate it. Number two, I'm doing it because this shoulder, I don't know, for the past couple weeks, it's been bothering me. I think I've been sleeping on it wrong, or I don't know. So I'm just kind of like, I don't want to do too much, but I may do some leg and the treadmill for sure. So just baby my shoulder just a little bit, you know, as we age, things start to hurt a little bit. Aging is not for the weak. So I'm just really trying to be smart and not jump the gun and really hurt myself, you know what I mean? So yeah, so let me get to the gym, get my workout done, feel accomplished, and then I'm gonna get back to the house and get my few little chores knocked out that I want to do, and share a fun recipe. An easy recipe. Check. That's done. Now to Walmart to get the items I need for the recipe. All right, long time no see in the cabinet. My favorite part of the morning, getting my coffee. I've got such a headache. I don't know. It's weird. Maybe I need this coffee, or maybe my hat's too tight. I loosened it up, but anyway, I've already got so much accomplished this morning. I'm so proud of me. Just checking things off the list. I just have a few things left to do in the house, and I can put the trash out. And I'm gonna wait a couple hours before I put the meal on in my slow cooker, because it doesn't take terribly long to cook. I mean, this one you can put on really low if you're going to be gone all day. So we'll put that on in a couple hours. I'll share that with y'all. And after I drink this coffee, I'm going to get the bathrooms cleaned and start dusting, and then I'm going to clean my floors. Just being all productive. Been reading y'all's comments on the video where we went to the Lucky Rabbit. It was really fun, and my mama had a good time, and I just love seeing her laugh. I could see behind the smile, though, there was still a lot of hurt, but you know, we're all hurting. Grief is a funny thing. It's I've never experienced anything like it, and definitely judge no one on how they grieve, because it has really played a number on me. But I told them and James, I said, this this past weekend is the first weekend since my daddy been put in the hospital, everything, that I have actually felt like me. And it's been in increments, but it's still, I felt like me. And that gives me hope. There's still a part of me that's missing, will never be replaced. It's a void that he's left. But in his honor, and me trying to make him proud, I don't want to sit around and wallow in my grief, because that would just hurt him. He would not want that. And so I'm really trying to pull myself together and, enjoy life. I still miss him, and, always will. But I want to make him proud, so here I am, just doing my best, and I'm feeling better. Last week was probably my hardest week, and I didn't know if I was going to get through it, but by the grace of God and my support system that I have, and all the prayers and everyone reaching out, it's just, I have hope. And I'm starting to feel like me. I'm getting some of my joy back. I literally had lost all of my joy. But I can feel it slowly creeping back in, and I welcome it. I really do, because that's what my daddy would want. My daddy would want that. So I'm gonna go drink this coffee. Take me some ibuprofen for this head. This headache just sprung up out of nowhere, but it is like, oh. They changed my contacts, which I wore them for 2 days, and I couldn't. I got a headache on the second day, and I had to take them out and put in my old contacts. And that headache that I got from that, it never fully went away. It subsided a great deal, but it was like teeter-tottering back there. It could have easily. So I don't know if this is from that, but I have my original contacts back in. I don't have the new ones. So I don't know. Maybe it's a combination of everything. The heat is so hot, and I was so hot at the gym. Sorry if I made you yawn. Did you yawn with me? So hot at the gym. But it's okay. I'm not complaining. I enjoyed it. It felt good to get back in the gym. I'm definitely going to have to start prioritizing that, because your girl loves to eat. And if I want to eat, I've got to exercise. I've got to. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. If I want to eat, I've got to exercise. I'm at that point in my life. Thanks to the lovely time in our women's lives where we go through those lovely periods of perimenopause and menopause, where you can just think about a cookie and gain 10 pounds. So I'm gonna eat. I've got to exercise. But first, let me go get my coffee and see what motivation this sparks today. I'll catch up with y'all later. All right, for this recipe, all you need is a pack of stew meat. I get the family size pack because this will feed us our dinner, plus James will have leftovers for lunch. So, stew meat, a box of beef broth, 2 packets of the onion soup mix, and 2 packets of brown gravy. That is it. That is all this recipe calls for. I use my slow cooker. Delaney uses a crock pot. I'm going to put mine in my slow cooker on low for about, 6 to 8 hours. Or you can put it, I have cooked this on high for about 4 hours, and it's fine. You basically want your meat to get tender and cooked, and all this blends together. It is so good. So let me get my stew meat washed up, put that in my slow cooker, and then I'll mix everything else up, and that is our recipe. And what you can do, it makes a delicious gravy. I'm going to be making mashed potatoes, but it would also be good over rice and biscuits, and you're good to go. So let me get this cleaned up. I say let me get that stew meat cleaned up. Let me get my stew meat washed, rinsed, and put in my pot. It's cleaned up. Oh my gosh. Well, the coffee must have had a lot of kick in it, because I got all the floors mopped, got my rugs from the front bathroom drying, got them washed, trash is put out, laundry's done, supper's cooking, and I feel so accomplished, and it feels so good going into the week with my house being clean. Now I'm gonna sit back just a minute, love up on Buster, and I'm gonna start editing this video, and then I'll be having to get up and cook the rest of the supper, make some mashed potatoes to go with that. So good, smelling so good. I wish I could smell how good it smells. Oh, all right, you see him? You want me to pick you up? Let me pick him up. What? What is it? What is it? It's bossing me around, telling me what to do. So I did a little tweaking. I got this table. Delana had it for a long time and she gave it back to me. It's an antique table and I love it. So I put it here. I'm looking for a lamp to go on it. Can y'all believe I do not have a lamp? Then I put my chair over there. I'm liking that. And then the little chair that was there, the little rocker, I've put it in my bedroom. I changed up a little bit in there and I've put it in there, and then the little chair that was there, I've put it right here. So I have been tweaking a little bit of decor, and that is a plant from my daddy's funeral that I need to repot. It looks terrible, but it looked like that when I got it. It's actually, I'm surprised it's still alive, but I need to repot it. But I really like the way this looks. So I did have some potting soil, and I have this pot, and I did repot it. The soil around this plant was like rocks. It was so hard. I don't know. I hope it does better now that it's been repotted. But I don't know if it will or not. It looked horrible when we got it. And the original pot that it was in, and the soil was just awful. So I've repotted it. We'll see. I have my daddy, and that's a couple of those books that I got from that estate sale, and that little clock. I do want to get some kind of lamp to go there. I'm not sure, but I want it to be something that if it gets knocked over, it doesn't matter. But I love this table. I've had it for years. It just fits the space. All right, y'all, I got biscuits, got my mashed potatoes, and this is basically like beef tips and gravy, I guess you would call it, but it's so good. Good comfort food. I did want to add that if you make this, if you get the regular size pack of stew meat and not the family size, be sure to cut your recipe in half, but I will have it linked down below. It's so good. It's so filling, and it just has the best flavor. So I'm going to go over there, eat my supper, grab me a biscuit, and call it good. So thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoy just kind of chilling and hanging out with me for the day. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.